Customer sent in this TV, said he plugged it up, it didn't have any power, and asked me to take a look at it. So I was like, I'm up for the challenge. Transistor QB201 is shorted. Luckily, it's a generic part, and I have plenty of them just laying around. All right, short is gone. Let's put it back together. All right, just got to plug in the power button right there.